Welcome to how to apply to Dutchess Community College. First thing you want to do is go to sunydutchess.edu and click on the Apply Now button. You will see different options for different students. Today's tutorial is focusing on first-time new students, so you're going to click on Apply Now. This is going to bring you to a page where if you click on application worksheet and admissions checklist, you're going to be led to 5 easy steps on how to apply online, a ton of helpful information about the college, and a checklist to follow after you've filled out the application. If you're a first time user, you're going to create an account, provide an email where you can access a PIN and create a password. I also want to point out that we have a chat now feature where we are available to answer any questions you may have while filling out the application. I went ahead and created a profile ahead of time for the sake of time. If it's your first time logging on, you want to start a new application, I have already created a profile and will continue and open my application. The first thing that you're going to do is fill out your personal information as asked. You want to make sure that you provide us with a proper mailing address. If it's the same as your permanent address, you can just click on the link. You then want to add parent information. So you're going to click on add new and fill out the fields and then hit save. Once that has saved, it's going to bring you back to this page. It will not list the family member. If you want to add a second family member, you may. If not, you can hit continue. Then you're going to fill out DCC information. And what that means is you're going to determine whether you're a first-time student, meaning you've never attended college before, or you're a transfer student and you've taken college classes in the past, not including college classes taken in high school. Full-time and part-time, the big difference is that full-time is 12 credits or more, part-time is 11 credits or less. All right, our 2-year programs are designated to be completed through full-time status. If you are not full-time, it will not be possible to complete those programs in 2 years, or if it's a 1-year program, completing it in 1 year. Okay, then you want to select your academic major. If you know what you want to study, for example, if I want to study computer science, you will see that it provides you links to programs that are related to computer science. If you click on these links, it will give you more in-depth information about each program. If you were to click something else such as human services, then it will give you the programs that are relative to human services. Okay, then we have the option of identifying whether you want to be considered for our honors minor as well as our EOP program, the Educational Opportunity Program. For more information on both of those, you can click on the links provided. Then it's going to lead you to your high school page. If I am a senior in high school, I will click that I will graduate from high school, and then it will prompt me with this information. Then you will identify if you've taken any AP classes or if you've taken DCC courses in high school or courses from any other college in high school. You want to then select the schools that you've attended. The majority of schools, we have them available. So if you start typing the school, city or state, you'll be able to find that. So for example, Poughkeepsie High School was available, high school, and then graduation. Let's say I'm graduating in June, but I don't know the exact date. I could always put June 30th and then put 2020. Okay. If I've taken classes at any other college, I would also then put add new. Okay, then you want to make sure you sign this by simply typing in your name and providing an electronic signature. And then lastly, you'll come to this review page. If there's anything that you've missed, it will prompt you to it so that you can click back and fill it in. If you don't have the information available now, you can click on Save for Later and then log back in. Once you've completed the application, it's going to bring you to a page that's going to provide you with your checklist once again, so that you can be aware of what are the following steps while we process your application. If you have any questions, you can always contact us at admissions@sunydutchess.edu. Thank you and have a great day.